Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to change your Facebook page name using PC version, Android version and iPhone version. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. And process is similar to both three versions, and this is Android version. Don't worry, this is not web version. I use Android emulator for your easy understanding and navigation. So follow my mouse pointer. First, you have to log into your profile. Then after, you have to just tap on your profile icon in top right corner. In my case, it is 3 lines. Just tap on it and scroll down a little bit and tap on see more and scroll down again, and you can see there is option called pages. Just tap on it and you can see there is a section called pages you manage. Under that section you can see your page. Just tap on your page. Now it will ask to switch from profile to page. Just tap on switch. Now you are switching profile to your web page, Facebook page. Okay, your page is loading right now. Alright, now you can see there is a profile icon again in top right corner. Just tap on it. Okay, now scroll down a little bit. Scroll down until you find setting and privacy. Just tap on setting and privacy and tap again on setting. Now you have to scroll down again. Scroll down. Okay, under the audience and visibility section there is an option called page setup. Just tap on page setup and you can see there is an option called name, and just tap on this view button just here. Okay, now you can see your page name is appeared here. Just tap on it and you can delete this and you can enter whatever you like page name. And don't forget, you can see there's a warning message. If you change once your Facebook page name, you can't change it until for 60 days. So choose wisely your page name, because you can't change that after within 60 days. Okay, after change your page, just tap on review change, then your page will be updated into new one. So I'm not going to do that. Just cancel this. This is how you can change your Facebook page name. Okay, so that's all about today's video. I hope you gain some knowledge from this, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like the video. Thank you.